Hi everyone, welcome to today's session, and in today's session let us see addition of vectors, 2 marks important questions. Okay, here the first concept is about unit vectors. Find the unit vector in the direction of vector a bar equal to 2I bar plus 3j bar plus k bar. So given vector a bar is 2I bar plus 3j bar plus k bar. This is the given vector. So let us find modulo of given vector a bar, that is modulo of a bar. Modulo of a bar is equal to root over, here I coefficient is 2, I mean 2 square, plus j coefficient is 3 square, plus k coefficient which is nothing but 1, that is 1 square. So modulo of a bar equal to 2 square 4, 3 square 9 and 1 square 1. So 1 plus 9 10, 10 plus 4 14. So modulo of a bar is 14. So children, listen here carefully. They are asking to find out unit vector in the direction of a vector a bar. The formula is unit vector in the direction of vector a bar is a bar by modulo of a bar. So which is an important formula? Unit vector in the direction of vector a bar is a bar by modulo of a bar. What is a bar? Given a bar is 2I bar plus 3j bar plus k bar by modulo of a bar. As we found modulo of a bar which is root over 14, so we need to write here root over 14. So that's all. That is only answer. So whenever they are asking to find out the unit vector in the direction of vector a bar is a bar by modulo of a bar. The thing is here we have to find out modulo of a bar, that is nothing but square root of I coefficient plus j coefficient plus k coefficient. That's all. Okay, coming to second question. Find a vector in the direction of vector a bar that has magnitude 7 units. In the same manner, so given vector a bar equal to I bar minus 2j bar. Again let us find out modulo of a bar, which is nothing but square root of I coefficient, nothing in the sense 1 square, plus j coefficient minus 2, nothing but minus 2 whole square. That is equal to square root of 1 square 1 minus 2 whole square, nothing but 4. So what is the square root of 1 plus 4, which is equal to 5. Okay. So first let us find unit vector. Therefore unit vector is a bar by modulo of a bar. So a bar is given I bar minus 2j bar by, what is modulo of a bar, children? Modulo of a bar is root 5. But if you observe the question carefully, they are asking to find out the vector in the direction of vector a bar that has magnitude 7 unit. They are asking to find out the magnitude of 7 unit, right? So vector of magnitude 7 is vector of magnitude 7 equal to nothing but 7 into I bar minus 2j bar by root over 5. That's all, children. So simply they are asking to find out magnitude 7 unit. Vector of magnitude 7 is 7 into unit vector. So that is our second question. Find a vector in the direction of vector a bar that has magnitude 7 units. Okay, children. Now coming to third question. Let A bar equal to I bar plus 2J bar plus 3K bar and B bar equal to 3I bar plus J bar. Find a vector in the direction of A bar plus B bar. The same method. Here they have given two vectors. Given vector A bar is I bar plus 2J bar plus 3K bar and vector B bar is 3I bar plus J bar. They are asking to find the unit vector in the direction of A bar plus B bar. A bar plus B bar means we need to add vector A and vector B. So let us add A bar plus B bar. I mean I bar plus 2J bar plus 3K bar plus vector B bar is 3I bar plus J bar. Right? So let us add these two vectors corresponding. Here we have I bar and here we have 3I bar. So I mean here 1I bar. 1I bar plus 3I bar. 1 plus 3 how much? That is equal to 4I bar. And here we have 2J bar and here we have 1J bar. I mean 2J bar plus 1J bar, that is equal to 3J bar. And of course here we have only one 3K bar. There is no K coefficient over here. So simply we need to write 3K bar. Children, did you understand? Here 1I bar plus 3I bar, that is 4I bar. 2J bar plus 1J bar, that is equal to 3J bar. And here we have 3K bar. Now the same way we have to find out modulo of A bar plus B bar. That is nothing but square root of, here I coefficient is 4, that is 4 square, and J coefficient is 3, that is 3 square, and K coefficient is 3, that is 3 square. Right? So square root of 4 square 16 and 3 square 9 and here 3 square 9. 16 plus 9 25, 25 plus 9 34. So what is the square root of, I mean modulo of A bar plus B bar, which is equal to root over 34. Okay, therefore required vector equal to A bar plus B bar by modulo of A bar plus B bar. So what is A bar plus B bar? A bar plus B bar is 4I bar plus 3J bar plus 3K bar by, what is modulo of A bar plus B bar? Modulo of A bar plus B bar is root over 34. Right? Did you understand, children? Nothing but here we have to find first of all A bar plus B bar. Then A bar plus B bar by modulo of A bar plus B bar. Right? Now coming to fourth question. A bar is given 2I bar plus 4J bar minus 5K bar and B bar is given I bar plus J bar plus K bar and C bar is given J bar plus 2K bar. Find the unit vector in the opposite direction of A bar plus B bar plus C bar. They are asking to find unit vector in the opposite direction. Opposite direction means we have to put sign minus. Opposite direction of A bar plus B bar plus C bar by modulo of A bar plus B bar plus C bar. If it is, they are asking to find unit vector in the direction of given vector A bar is A bar by modulo of A bar. If at all they are asking opposite direction, we need to put a sign minus. The same procedure. So first of all, we have to find out A bar plus B bar plus C bar. What is A bar? 2I bar plus 4J bar minus 5K bar plus, what is B bar? I bar plus J bar plus K bar plus, what is C bar? C bar is J bar plus 2K bar. Right? We need to add first I coefficient. Here 2I bar plus 1I bar. So 2I bar plus 1I bar, that is equal to 3I bar. Here 4J bar plus J bar, 5J bar, 5J bar plus J bar, 6J bar. Right? Now coming to here we have minus 5K bar, but here we have 1K bar, here we have 2K bar. I mean 2K bar plus 1K bar, 3K bar, minus 5K bar. Minus 5K bar plus 3K bar, that is equal to minus 2K bar. Children, did you understand? 2I plus 1I, 3I. 4J plus J, 5J. 5J plus J, 6J. Minus 5K bar plus K bar minus 4K bar. Minus 4K bar plus 2K bar minus 2K bar. Okay. Now we have to find out modulo of A bar plus B bar plus C bar. That is equal to square root of I coefficient 3 square, J coefficient 6 square, K coefficient minus 2 whole square. Right? So 3 square 9, 6 square 36, 2 square 4. 4 plus 36 40, 40 plus 9 49. Root over 49. What is the square root of 49? That is 7 units, right? So unit vector in the opposite direction of A bar plus B bar plus C bar is minus of, what is A bar plus B bar plus C bar? That is 3I bar plus 6J bar minus 2K bar by modulo of A bar plus B bar plus C bar is 7 unit. Okay. Here in this case they are asking to find unit vector in the direction of A bar plus B bar. We added A bar and B bar. Here unit vector in the opposite direction of A bar, B bar, C bar. First we added, then they are asking here opposite direction. Opposite direction means we need to put a sign minus. Children, I hope you understood about the concept of unit vector, right? Now coming to fifth question. If A bar equal to 2I bar plus 5J bar plus K bar and B bar equal to 4I bar plus MJ bar plus NK bar are collinear vectors, then find M comma N. So you know children, what is the condition for collinear? As we know that the condition for collinear is A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 equal to C1 by C2. Right? So given vectors are A bar equal to 2I bar plus 5J bar plus K bar. And vector B bar is 4I bar plus MJ bar plus NK bar. They said they are collinear. Collinear in the sense A1 by A2. See here. A1 in the sense here 2 by 4 equal to B1 by B2. B1 in the sense 5 by M equal to C1 by C2. Here nothing in the sense 1. I mean 1 by N. Right? 2 by 4 equal to 5 by M equal to 1 by N. So let us cancel now. 2 table, 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja. I mean 1 by 2 equal to 5 by M equal to 1 by N. Now let us equate 1 by 2 equal to 5 by M. 1 by 2 equal to 5 by M. First 2, right? Cross multiplication 1 into M, 1M equal to 2 into 5. That is M equal to 2 5 is 10. So what is the value of M? The M value is 10. Now coming to how to find N value, we can also equate 1 by 2 equal to 1 by 2 equal to 1 by N. As 1 gets cancelled, so what is the value of N? N value is 2. So remember the point is here collinear. So what is the condition for collinear? A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 equal to C1 by C2. In the same manner question, we have two vectors here. Coming to sixth question, given vectors are minus 3i bar plus 4j bar plus lambda k bar, and the second vector is mu I bar plus 8j bar plus 6k bar are collinear. What is the condition for collinearity? A1 by A2 minus 3 by mu equal to B1 by B2, 4 by 8 equal to C1 by C2, lambda by 6. Again cancellation, 4 table, 4 1 ja, 4 2 ja. So minus 3 by mu equal to 1 by 2 equal to lambda by 6. So let us equate these two. Minus 3 by mu equal to 1 by 2. So mu into 1, that is mu equal to 2 into minus 3, 2 3s are 6. So they are asking to find the value of lambda and mu. So we got the value of mu, that is minus 6. Now let us equate 1 by 2 equal to lambda by 6. So cross multiplication, 2 into lambda, 2 lambda equal to 6 into 1, 6. As 2 is multiplying, transpose towards right hand side. So lambda equal to 6 by 2, 2 1 ja, 2 3 ja. So what is the value of lambda? As lambda value is 3, right? So you have to remember the condition for collinearity. That is A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 equal to C1 by C2. And this is one of the most important topic in our addition of vectors, right? Now coming to 7th question, find the vector equation of line passing through the point and parallel to the vector. You know, vector equation of line passing through the point and parallel to the vector. So vector equation of line passing through the point and parallel to the vector, r bar equal to a bar plus tb bar. So vector equation of line passing through the point and parallel to the vector. What is the formula? R bar equal to a bar plus tb bar. This is the formula, children. So given point is what? A bar is given 2i bar plus j bar plus 3k bar, and parallel to the vector b bar is 4i bar minus 2j bar plus 3k bar. Okay, therefore vector equation of the line equal to r bar equal to a bar plus t bar. R bar equal to, what is the value of a bar? A bar is 2i bar plus j bar plus 3k bar plus t into, what is b bar? B bar is 4i bar minus 2j bar plus 3k bar. That's all, children. So vector equation of line passing through the point and parallel to the vector is r bar equal to a bar plus tb bar. So second one is, see here, find the vector equation of line passing through the points. The difference between problem number 7 and problem number 8 is, here passing through the point and parallel to the vector, but whereas in this question passing through the points. So vector equation of line passing through the points only here. Here point and line, but here whereas only points. So r bar equal to 1 minus t into a bar plus tb bar. Here the formula is r bar equal to a bar plus tb bar. Point and parallel to the vector. Right? Here passing through the points. Both are 2 points. Right? So r bar equal to 1 minus t into a bar plus tb bar. 1 minus t into a bar plus tb bar. right? So given a bar is this, a bar equal to 2I bar plus j bar plus 3k bar, and b bar equal to minus 4I bar plus 3j bar minus k bar. Therefore vector equation of the line is, vector equation of line passing through the 2 points is r bar equal to 1 minus t into a bar. What is a bar here? A bar is 2I bar plus j bar plus 3k bar plus tb bar. T into, what is b bar? B bar is minus 4I bar plus 3j bar minus k bar. Right? Now listen here children carefully. 1 into 2I bar, 2I bar plus 1 into j bar, j bar plus 1 into 3k bar, 3k bar. Right? Now minus t into 2t, minus 2t I bar minus t into j minus tj bar minus t into 3k minus 3t k bar plus into minus minus 4t I bar plus into plus 3t j bar plus into minus minus t k bar. Right? So first let us take I bar as common. Here we have I coefficient is 2 and here I coefficient is minus 2t and here I coefficient is minus 4t. Okay. Now next we take j bar as common. Here I coefficient nothing means 1 and here j coefficient minus t and here j coefficient is 3t plus, now let us take k bar as common. So here k coefficient is 3 and here k coefficient is minus 3t and here k coefficient is minus t. Right? So I bar into 2 minus 2t minus 4t, that is minus 6t, plus j bar into 3t minus t, 2t, I mean 1 plus 2t, plus k bar into 3 minus 3t minus t, that is equal to minus 14. So vector equation of line passing through the points is 1 r bar equal to 1 minus t into a bar plus tb bar. Okay children. Now coming to 9th question, find the vector equation of the plane passing through the points, as it is given here 3 points, a bar, b bar and c bar. Vector equation of the plane passing through the 3 points is r bar equal to 1 minus s minus t into a bar plus sb bar plus tc bar, where here s comma t belongs to r. So vector equation of the plane passing through the 3 points, r bar equal to 1 minus s minus t into a bar plus sb bar plus tc bar. Okay, so this is given vector a bar and this is the given vector b bar and this is the given vector c bar. So what is the vector equation of the plane? Is r bar equal to 1 minus s minus t into a bar. A bar means I bar minus 2j bar plus 5k bar plus sb bar. S into, what is b bar? B bar is minus 5j bar minus k bar plus tc bar. T into c bar is minus 3I bar plus 5j bar. Right? Vector equation of the plane passing through the 3 points formula is r bar equal to 1 minus s minus t into a bar plus SB bar plus TC bar. In the same manner, and coming to our last 10th question, find the vector equation of the plane passing through the points is given here 0, 0, 0. I mean A of A bar equal to 0. Second one is 0, 5, 0. I mean B of B bar equal to I coefficient 0. J coefficient is 5, therefore 5J bar, and K coefficient 0, 0 only. Coming to third point, C is 2, 0, 1. I mean I coefficient 2, 2I bar, J coefficient 0, and K coefficient is 1. So vectors C bar is 2I bar plus K bar. Again same, vector equation of the plane passing through the 3 points R bar equal to 1 minus S minus T into A bar plus SB bar plus TC bar. So R bar equal to 1 minus S minus T into, as A bar is 0, plus S into B bar is 5J bar plus T into C bar is 2I bar plus 1K bar. Right? So these are the formulas we have to continuously practice. Then only we can remember vector equation of line passing through the point and parallel to the given vector. Vector equation of line passing through the 2 points. Vector equation of line passing through the 3 points. These are the formulas we have to remember, and these are the most important 2 mark questions which they are asking from the previous year public examination questions. Okay, this is about addition of vectors which carries they are asking 2 marks questions. I mean 2 into 2, that is equal to 4 marks. Okay children, I hope you understood today's session, and don't forget to hit subscribe button, like it and share it to your friends children. Thank you.